in this video lecture, we will be discussing the first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. Okay. So, before starting in details discussion, firstly, I would like to discuss the topic that we will cover in this chapter. Okay. So the topic is matter, particles, characteristics of matters, physical nature of matters, states of matters. Okay. Matter. Let's discuss about it. So when we look our surrounding, we see a large variety of things. Okay. So with different shape, size, colors, okay, textures. So everything in this universe is made up of material, okay, or matter. The air we breathe, food we eat, clouds, star, planet, animals, bottle, table, pen, copy, books, all these things are matter. So all these things occupy space. So for example, this bottles occupy space, this bottle also occupies space. So all the matter occupy space and have some mass. Okay, in other words, they have both mass and volume. So what is matter? Matter is everything in the universe that occupies space and has mass. Okay, matter is everything in this universe that occupies space and has mass are called matter. And matter is made up of particles. You can see here the structure of cubes, which is called matter. It occupies some space, okay, and it is made up of particles. Matter is always made up of small particles. Even a drop of water is also made up of particles. Now let's discuss about the characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have three characteristics. So it have space between them. Here you can see this is the electronic structure of the particles. Okay. So particles have space between them. Particles have space between them. And the particles of matters are moving all the time. And these particles of matter moving all the times. Okay, whether the particle of solid, liquid or gases, they move all the time. Particles of matter attract each other. That's why they have some shape. Okay, so these are the three characteristics of particles of matter. First is particles have space between them, particles moving all the time, and particles of matter attract each other. Okay, now let's discuss about one by one. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them. Now let's try to understand through this experiment. Let's take a beaker, half filled beaker filled with water, and add some amount of sugar in it. Let's see what happens. Sugar or salt get dissolved in water. We know that कि sugar and salt dissolve in water. How they dissolve? Because these particles have space between them. Okay, and the particles of the salt or sugar get in between the space between the particles of water. The particles of sugar or salt get space between the particles of water. That's why they get dissolved. Okay, and mixture is formed. So with the help of this experiment, we can say that particles of matter have space between them. Next is particles of matter are continuously moving. So particles of matter are in motion all the times. Hence they possess kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy due to motion is called kinetic energy. Also, okay, so particles of matter are in motion all the time. They always move. They move all the time. Okay, so as the temperature rises, particles move faster. When we boil the sugar in water, then rate of dissolving get increases, है ना? So as the temperature rises, particles move fast. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of particles get increases. Okay. Next is particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter are always held together because of a force of attraction between them. We know that solids have definite shape and size. Why? Because they have highest force of attraction between them. Particles of solid have highest force of attraction between them. That's why they have definite shape. Whereas you know that a liquid does not have any definite shape because their particles have less force of attraction than solids. That's why they do not have definite shape, but they have definite volume. And similarly, particles of gases are loosely packed. They have least force of attraction. That's why they don't have definite shape and volume. They are free. है ना? They move freely in atmosphere. So we can say that particles of matter attract each other.